How to leave a group on Signal. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to leave a group on Signal. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application on your phone, click on it, and now like you see, click on your group, and all you need to do is click on your profile up there. Scroll down and you have the second before the last, leave group. Click on it and you will not longer be able to send or receive message in this group if you click leave, and you choose if you want now to leave this group or just cancel. This is it, cancel, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.